window doesn't go up and down as it should on your BMW, we will explain guys how to fix that in no time. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. It could be any BMW such as 1, 3, 5 series, X3, X5. If you guys have a problem where you want to see how to initialize a window, how to reset a window, you need to do that after window regulator replacement, window motor replacement, even battery replacement in some cases. Stay with us, we'll explain that guys step by step so your window can work correctly again. It can open and close automatically, it will have the pinch protection and all that stuff will be covered for your convenience today. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you guys how to fix pretty much anything, transmissions, engine codes. Why we guys do that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you guys need to buy any parts for your BMW, any car, any make, any model, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description on the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So let's start on it now. So we want to show you guys, we replaced the window regulator in that BMW, and what happens now here, okay, check this thing out. Okay, window does not have the pinch protection, it stops and then it goes, it stops and it goes. If you go up, the same thing, I hold the button, it still stops and goes, which is pretty annoying, right? So let's go ahead and explain how to fix that now. So what do you guys need to do now? You need to come inside. Now, insert your key, right? Insert the key. Do not press, guys, okay, the brake pedal. Press the start button, get the dash lights on, okay, like this one. So now, guys, sometimes you can do that, okay? You can do that through the front window switch. If it's on a rear window, you may need to do it on its own switch. We'll check now. But what you guys need to do, okay, here in most cases you need to have, okay, your door closed all the way. So close your door guys. Okay, now we're going to press the window switch and we're going to keep pressing, okay, until the window comes all the way down. Now once it's down, press that switch and hold it for about 15 seconds guys, 15 to 20 seconds even. So we still keep waiting here. That's about 10 seconds here. Okay, so let's see now. Still going there. That's going to reset the pinch protection, practically turn it off. Perfect. Now we're going to bring that window up. Okay, again, it doesn't want to go, so we have to go back and forth. Okay, it's closed. Let me open the sunroof so we can get just a little bit more light inside the car guys, so we can see better as well, because I do not have the camera light today. But okay, perfect. Now what do we need to do? When the window is all the way up, you're going to pull that button, okay, and to the second position. It has 2 clicks, up, open. 1 second, you heard a click. Now bring it down. Okay, when you bring it down and it stops, click on to the second position until you hear a click. Okay, now bring it all the way up. Hold the button up. Let go. Now click again. And now if I press the button down all the way, the window will go down. And now if I press it to go up, it's going to close on its own. So that's how you initialize, reset the window regulator, window motor on BMW. So guys, if you have a BMW and it could be 1, 3, 5 series X3, X5 and you needed to see how to initialize or how to reset a window, that's how we do it. You will need to do that after battery replacement for every window. If you replace a window regulator or window motor, you need to do it guys, but not very complicated. That's how we do it. It will take you less than 5 minutes. If you guys have a BMW, we will have more than guys 15,000 free repair videos on cars and probably more than 2-3,000 free BMW repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We made them for your convenience to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.